Hi there, students. Mea culpa. Mea culpa says, I'm to blame. I made the mistake. It's my mistake. It's a way of making an apology. The time on the piece of paper that I gave you is wrong, and that's why you've all arrived late. Mea culpa. My mistake. You could informally say, my bad. Okay? So, my bad, my mistake. So, here you have an informal version, my bad, and a much more formal version, mea culpa. Mea culpa comes from Latin, mea of me, and culpa, blame. Culpability. That's a word we still use in English. So, mea culpa is an elegant, rather posh, but a very nice sounding way of saying, it's my fault, I'm sorry, I made this mistake, I'm responsible for this mistake. So, if I fail to explain something to you properly, and then you use it wrongly, and you make a mistake when using it, well, mea culpa. The blame is mine, it's my mistake, and I'm sorry for explaining it wrongly. Okay, so, mea culpa. I think you could use this even in a very informal situation in the pub, although it does sound a little bit posh, but it sounds fine. I think mea culpa, this is something I would only say, and only for me. Mea culpa. Don't use it for anybody else's blame. You use it to say, I'm the one responsible. It's my bad. I made the mistake, and none of you are responsible for this. It's a way of giving an apology as well. Okay, so if I've made any mistakes in any of my videos, mea culpa, and I apologise. If you enjoyed this video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Mea culpa.